this is Anju Damodaran, working as scientist at URO Satellite Center, ISRO.
Hi, this is Damodaran Raman, working as scientist in ISRO and currently working in an MNC in the senior leadership position.
Why Nibav? So we have old mother. She has difficulty in climbing stairs. So we have a 3-story building and she was facing a issue. Then we were looking for the lift. Unfortunately, we don't have any place to put the conventional lift. So when we are looking for a home lift, which we have very space constrained, and particularly I want the lift to be inside the home. That's when we did some search and we nailed down to Nibav, and the installation, I think the entire packages come in very nicely packed into the boxes, right? And everything is made to order, right? It's all about just the fittings, and at the end of the day it was a magic. You can't even see any screws, and then it has come very nicely. It had added a lot of look to my house. The beauty what we made is, it's more than a lift, it is a appliance in the house. It's all along transparent. It requires only single phase. You don't need any certificates. And I was using this lift for last 1 year. Hardly we have seen any big difference in the electricity. So it's a magic. And the way in which the lift operates, everything is a mechanical controlled by electronics, is foolproof. And we have all safety measures like telephone. All those things really helps. Now my mother is very happy to go to terrace and do the gardening. I think it's very aesthetically looking, and very important thing which we missed it is designed for ourselves. Every Nibav lift is basically customized. I could see my name inside, and this is not a standard lift. So they have come here and then they measured our building and what is our requirement, and it is built for us, right? So anything built for you is a customization is always special. And thanks to Nibav, I think it really helps my mother happy. If she's happy, we are all happy. So that's when I would recommend anybody to go for where you have a space constraint and then you want to have a compact, aesthetically good looking lift, please go for the Nibav. We are very happy about that.
We have here G+3, this lift serves us. So ground floor when it starts, the first floor, second floor and the third floor. When we were looking for the lift, there was a requirement that the third floor, how can it be accommodated? So especially that discussion was done with the installation team and their design team, and our third floor, a minor modification was needed, which is also adding another look to the house.
And then we recommend anybody to go for it. It's safe, it's economical, and we would like to make our journey with Nibav for a long time.
So in short, if we say, it's a comfort, safety and style. This is what the Nibav is.